We want to know how to add the skills that you have achieved or the skills that you have learned in wellfound.com for better job chances. Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So once you have opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. Once you have done everything, on the left side right beside home, you should be seeing profile, just simply select it. So now once you select your profile, you should be seeing various options. So right beside overview, you should also be seeing profile, just simply select that again and scroll all the way down until you see skills. That should be right below education. So you can just simply search and write anything. So you can just simply write designing or Adobe Photoshop based on the app right here, and then you can just add it up just like this, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So it should be automatically saved and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.